Hello guys, welcome to Amit Thinks. In this video, we will see how we can easily download and install the Pydot Python library on Windows 10. So Pydot is an interface to Graphviz. Graphviz is an open source graph visualization software. So let's see how we can install it. Always remember to install any Python package or library. We need pip. Pip is used to install and manage Python packages. So at first we will install Python and pip, then we will install the Python library. So let's first begin with the installation of Python and pip current version. Let's start. At first go to the web browser. I am using Chrome, you can use any browser. On Google type Python. Press enter. On pressing enter, the official website is visible, python.org. Click on it. Here is the official website, python.org. So whenever you will keep the mouse cursor on downloads, the current version will be visible. Here it is. Here it is, Python 3.10.5. Click on it to download. Now the download started, you need to wait for a few seconds. It's only 27 MB. We have downloaded the exe file. Double click on it to install. Minimize this. So the setup started. At first, add Python 3.10 to path. Now I'll click on customize installation so that we can understand what all we are installing. So I'll click on customize installation. Here are the optional features available. We will also install pip and IDLE. Pip is used to install and manage Python packages, and IDLE is an ID to run Python programs. Rest keep as it is and click on next. Now you can see advanced option. You can click on install for all users. Rest keep as it is. On selecting, you can see it has shown us the path wherein Python will get installed. We will see this later. If you want to change the location of installation, click on browse, but keep the default, it's fine. Click on install. Now the installation started. Wait for a few seconds. So guys, we have successfully installed Python. So guys, we successfully installed Python and pip. Let us verify the installation and install Pydot. Go to start, type cmd. Click on open to open the command prompt. Now herein guys, type Python space hyphen version and press enter. Here it is, we successfully installed it as I told you. Now check the same for pip. Pip space hyphen version. Press enter. So we successfully installed pip also. Now guys, let us install Pydot. If you remember, I told you that to install any Python package and library, we need pip. So I'll be using pip to install the Pydot Python package. Pip install Pydot and press enter. So guys, we successfully installed Pydot as you can see here. Now let us verify it, try to import it, type py and press enter. So we will enter the Python shell. Now what I'll do, I'll just try to import it using import space name of the library, import Pydot and press enter. So there is no error, that means we successfully installed it. Now let us print the current version, pydot dot underscore version underscore and press enter. So the output should be 1.4.2 because this is what we installed. Here it is, the current Pydot version is 1.4.2 and we installed the same. So guys, in this video we saw how we can download and install Pydot on Windows 10 Python. Thank you for watching the video.